everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharvari Phatak and today's video, yes, you read right. Today's video is a breakthrough of one of my favorite movies. Now all of you may ask, which movie is this? Well, it's the movie Eat, Pray, Love. I had watched this movie about 2 to 3 years ago and I loved it immensely. That is why I decided to make this video in order to share some excerpts from the movie and a few good sayings and messages the movie gives that I want all of you to know. Firstly, I'll be telling a synopsis of what the movie is all about. I won't be telling the entire story because then you won't have any fun watching it. So I'll just tell you how the movie proceeds and then I'll be sharing a few quotes from the movie that really changed my life or they were very beneficial for me in my life journey. Now the movie Eat, Pray, Love, it is based on a book of the same title written by Elizabeth Gilbert. In the movie, Elizabeth Gilbert is played by actress Julia Roberts. She is an amazing actress as all of you might be knowing. You can find her work in movies like Erin Brockovich and Pretty Woman. But the character portrayal of Elizabeth Gilbert has been done amazing by Julia Roberts, and that's why for her I think you should also watch the movie. Firstly, the movie starts when Liz, lovingly called Liz, is very bored of her monotonous life. She is happily married but realizes that she does not have the same interests with her husband and hence wants to kind of get out of that marriage and embark on a journey of self-discovery. She consults her best friend in the process, who tells her that it is a good idea and she should do that. She divorces her husband and then travels to Italy first. In Italy, she starts to learn Italian, she makes new friends and finds a sense of togetherness in a completely unknown city. The journey of how she finds friends and how she spends time with them is really one to watch. After Italy, she travels to India, and I must add the cinematography and the shooting at every place is amazing. So really it's good and very well done to the cinematographer team of the movie. When she goes to India, she realizes the meaning of devotion and discipline. She spends her days in an ashram trying to discipline herself a bit, trying to reach God, as they say. But she finds it very hard to do so. Confused why this particular thing might be occurring, she finds a friend in a person named Richard. He tells her that she is very involved in her past baggage and that's why when she lets go of all old baggage, finally God, or in modern terms I would say, a sense of fulfillment and success and happiness will come to her if she just lets go of things in the past. After that, we see Liz traveling to Bali, Indonesia. In Bali, she meets a man who we later get to know is going to be the love of her life. She is scared of commitment and doesn't want to be involved with him at first, but comes across a medicine man who tells her that to lose balance for love is part of living a balanced life. Finally, Liz reunites with her lover and we assume that they get married in the end. So this movie is an amazing depiction of what all she encounters in the whole journey and how she makes the most of every place. There are a few good quotes the movie Eat, Pray, Love gives you and I want to share all of them with you guys. I have them written here in my notebook because they are part of my personal collection. I'll just read them one by one. The first is, happiness is a consequence of personal effort. So you don't sit in a place and say that happiness will come to me. You have to go out and search for your happiness. The next one after that is, ruin is the road to transformation. So whenever something breaks down or something happens in your life that you think might be an apocalypse at the moment, it is actually taking you to better places. Just like Liz's broken down life took her to a great place, finally finding the love of her life in the end. After that is a quote, you need to learn how to select your thoughts just like you select your clothes every day. So whenever we are selecting our clothes, we tend to choose. That is how your thoughts should be, avoiding negative thoughts and instead allowing positive thoughts to flow in. And lastly, there is a quote that There is a crack in everyone. By crack here she means imperfections. There is a crack in everyone, and that is how the light of God gets in. Also here God is to be noted as greatness, so that you can term it whatever you want, but that's how a greatness, feeling of greatness comes in your mind. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video, and I will be posting videos every Friday, so make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Also do check out my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. I have it in the description below, so make sure you go and follow my page. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, and do watch the movie and let me know how you find it. You can DM me on Instagram, and that's how you can contact me. Thank you, and looking forward to next week when I see you guys again. So bye till then, and everybody take care.